Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, we will learn about one of the most amazing wonders in the world, the Great Wall of China. This is not just a wall, it is a story of hard work, courage, and history. Long, long ago, in ancient China, there were many small kingdoms. These kingdoms often fought each other. Life was not easy for the people. At that time, there were also dangerous tribes living in the north. They used to attack villages, steal food, and harm people. The kings of China wanted to protect their land, so they decided to build walls. Each kingdom built its own wall, but these walls were not connected. Then, in 221 BC, a powerful king named Qin Shi Huang came into power. He became the first emperor of a united China. Emperor Qin had a big dream. He wanted to connect all the small walls and make one strong wall. This wall would protect China from enemies. So he ordered thousands of workers, soldiers, and farmers to build the wall. The work was very hard. People worked day and night. They carried heavy stones, bricks, and soil. Many workers became tired and sick. Some even lost their lives during the construction. But the wall kept growing. The wall was built across mountains, deserts, and valleys. Imagine building a wall on high mountains without modern machines. It was very difficult. Years passed. The wall became longer and stronger. But after Emperor Qin died, the work slowed down. Later, during the time of the Ming dynasty, the wall was rebuilt and improved. The Ming rulers made the wall stronger using bricks and stones. They also built watchtowers. These watchtowers were very important. Soldiers stayed in these towers. They watched for enemies. If they saw danger, they sent signals using smoke during the day and fire at night. This helped people prepare for attacks. The Great Wall became a powerful defense system. It was not just a wall. It was like a long military line. Today, the Great Wall is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. It is more than 21,000 kilometers long. Yes, you heard that right, over 21,000 kilometers. People from all over the world visit China to see this amazing structure. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There is a popular myth that the Great Wall can be seen from space, but scientists say this is not true with the naked eye. Still, it is one of the greatest human achievements. The Great Wall teaches us many lessons. It teaches us about teamwork. It teaches us about patience and hard work. Most importantly, it shows how people can do great things when they work together. But it also reminds us of the suffering of workers who built it. We should respect their efforts and remember their sacrifices. Today, the Great Wall stands as a symbol of China's strength and history. It connects the past with the present. So, the next time you see a picture of the Great Wall, remember, it is not just a wall. It is a story of dreams, struggles, and success. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep learning English with stories. See you in the next video.